Swedish dishcloths. I'd never heard of them before, but these were sent to me to check out and let you know what I think. This company has started to make them, and it gave me the opportunity to give them a try, and I'm stoked about it because they're super versatile. Again, I don't know why nobody told me about these things, but they're pretty awesome. They're reusable and they're washable, which is crazy to me. Honestly, if you look at these, I would have no idea that these things would be able to go into the laundry. But you can wash them in, regular laundry. You can wash them, let's see, what do they say? In the dishwasher, you can boil or microwave them. I love that. It's so super easy. But again, it feels like a paper almost, but it's much thicker and more durable than paper. I just am super impressed, and I really think this stuff is cool. So I love how easy it is to wet, right? It feels like paper, but you just wet it and it then becomes a cloth. It dries super quick and it feels like this when it dries, so that's cool. They're super small and easy to store away. Like this pack is actually a 12 pack, I believe it is. Comes with 12 of these things. Super great for cleaning things up. You can use it on stainless steel, countertops, sinks, blah, blah, blah. It just, honestly, the uses are endless for these things. And I'm really impressed with them, and I'm super stoked that I had the opportunity to try them because I don't know that I'm gonna be able to go back to a regular cloth. When these get so gross after I've washed them and it's time to throw away, guess what? I can throw them away and get some new ones because look, it's a 12 pack. You should check these out, it's pretty great.